the first thing I normally do is I wipe my camera lens, because your photos can be blurry if you don't do that sometimes. After wiping it, I'm just going to mount it on this tripod over here. So as you can see guys, you see, it is just amazing. It captures like from here to here. I can adjust. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linda Mary. Hi guys, welcome to this vlog. I know you're wondering because I'm looking a little bit weird, but as you read from the title of this video, I'm going to show you how I film my YouTube videos using my phone. And for that purpose, I came like this, barefaced. See, now you're not seeing me without makeup, without my hair being made up and all that, because I want to take you through the process, and getting ready for filming is part of that process. So before that, as you've also seen from the title and also from my last vlog when I went to Gikomba and Dubois Road, I want to show you some of the things that I got from Dubois, and I'm going to do this as I get ready to film my videos. So it's a two-in-one, okay? The first product that I wanted to show you that I got from Dubois Road is this. It's a spray bottle, okay, and I got this at 150 shillings. I got this specifically for my hair. I started my natural hair journey, as I told you guys, like less than, is it 2 months or 3 months ago, and what I learned is that natural hair is easier to manipulate when you spray water when it is wet. So instead of so I didn't have this previously, but I thought it will help me to just spritz in my hair so that I can comb it out to avoid breakage and keep it healthy. So that's what we're going to do. Yeah, so I just have my water. So I have this, I just like, you see, you're spraying water. See, I'm spraying water. Wow. So but now you see it works so perfectly. The next spray bottle that I got was this one. This one also cost 150 shillings. I bought them from different places. Let's see. Ooh, 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 wow, wow, wax. This is just normal coconut oil. I love coconut oil a lot. I use it as a primer, so that's what I've done before I put on my makeup. Another thing that I got from Dubois Road, hey, are these. How beautiful. These are for putting my makeup brushes. So these, I bought one for my makeup. This will be for my makeup brush, and these will be for my combs. These ones I bought them at 100 shillings each. 100 bob. Next thing that I bought from Dubois Road was this. Yes, natural hair journey. I wanted the long afro comb, but I didn't get it, so I got this one. And since it's metallic, it works too. This one normally comes in handy when mostly you do your bantu knots. I just started learning how to do them. After you undo the bantu knots, and now you have your curls, and if you want your curls to like be puffy, like your hair to be puffy, you do this. Like at the edge. Is it at the edge? At the bottom, not up here. You lift your hair. You do this, you lift your hair, so your hair will appear fuller, okay? So these I bought at 80 shillings. The next product that I got from Dubois Road is this. It's a spoolie. Let me remove it. So check, it's a spoolie, and at the same time this side is for cleaning up your eyebrows when you've applied concealer, and then you like, if you see me looking here, I'm looking at my mirror, okay? So this is it. I'm just going to like comb the eyebrows using this spoolie, and then I'm going to shape my eyebrows. And since I did not buy an eyebrow pencil at Dubois, I'm not going to show you that. I only want to show you things that I bought at Dubois. So guys, I've done my foundation and my concealer, nothing to elaborate on my eyebrows. So So this is an eyeshadow palette. It's called Glamour Eyes. I normally prefer small eyeshadow palettes. That's why this is my previous one. My child happened, so it broke. And actually I started using eyeshadow last year. So you know, some of these things I haven't used them for long. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Look at the colors, guys. I was like, gold, orange, maroon. These are colors I could use. So today I feel like I don't know if you can use the red. It's a bit shouting, but let's see. Are you starting to see the color? Are you starting to see? So I'm just going to blend. Guys, so the next thing I got from Dubois was this lipstick. I don't even know it. Oh, there's a name here. It's called Carrot. I loved it because see how it looks. I like this lipstick, and I think, wow, that's why I chose this red color too for my eyeshadow, so that they can like match, like mashing. That's it for this what I got from Dubois. I don't want to take too much time because the main thing that I want to show is how I shoot my videos. So the first thing that I normally do when I want to film a video is to have a title or a topic, and I have a list of video ideas. I normally have stored them on my Google Drive. These are all video ideas. If I think of something, I normally write it down on a notebook, and then I transfer it here when I have time. And these ones in green, these are the videos I've already done. As you can see, I have like 90 or 89 video ideas that I can pick from at any given time. The video that I want to do today is on self-confidence, like how to boost or how to be more confident, how to increase your confidence. Sometimes I don't follow any particular order. It's like, I don't know, I can't, like the way preachers normally say that this is the word that spoke to me. There are times that I feel like this is what I feel like I want to speak on, okay? So today I just want to focus on how to be confident. So what I normally do is I write down. So I have two notebooks. I have this and another smaller one, whereby I normally just write down like kind of like planning, not planning per se, but just the points, the actual points. Because sometimes I can do a video and then after I'm done, I realize that, oh my goodness, I did not speak about on this point, or maybe 2 points, and maybe they are very, very important. I'm going to just write here, number 1, I think that's important if you want to be confident. And then number 2, I'm going to talk about body language. I think that's important. If you master it, it can help to boost your confidence. The third thing that I want to talk about is positivity, just having positive energy, or just being positive. That's something I want to talk about. And the fourth thing I want to talk about is facing your fears. Okay, I may add a couple when I think of them. Some even just normally come to me when I'm in the process of speaking. So first I want to show you my tripod. Here, this is the tripod that I use, and it is adjustable because of this ball that is here. I can just swing it around. I can put it lower. I can even twist the leg so you can fold it around something like a door handle like this. It is very flexible. So guys, I wanted to show you, this is my source of light, the window. I like to have like nothing on the window. Let me see. Plain. And then also this place I like to shoot on my bed, but as you can see the rays, it means the sun is up there. So the window, this is where I get my natural light from. And the first thing I normally do is I wipe my camera lens, because your photos can be blurry if you don't do that sometimes. After wiping it, I'm just going to mount it on this tripod over here. Yes, so after I've mounted like that, what I've normally realized is that the best angle, the best, can I say, level, is when the camera is slightly like below my face, because I know I struggled a lot. I used to put the camera way up somewhere here, and then the photo I used to be like so small. So I just realized that if I just put it below my face, not too much, but somehow below my face, it is perfect. So another thing I want to show you is that I think you've seen some videos of me in this place. especially that video of how to be productive while working from home. This is where I sit so that it just captures this background, because your background is also important. Another thing that I do normally is I lock the screen. So if you just press on the screen, you'll see this sign where it says that it locks the screen, so that if the sun keeps fading and coming back, then the video quality doesn't change. So it's not like one place you are lighter, the next place you are darker, and yet you're seated in the same position. As you can see, there's a plus and a minus, which means you can increase the brightness or reduce it. So if that is not, it's a bit too dark, I normally just increase it a little bit. Be careful with this, because if you increase it too much, it might appear like whitish. So that's something that I also do. Regarding the front camera or back camera, this is the front camera. I'm using the front camera. These days I prefer using the front camera a lot. I know people normally say that if you want like a good quality photos, you need to use the back camera, which works for most phones, because the back camera has a higher quality resolution. But if your front camera is pretty decent, I prefer to use it, because you actually see what is going on. And at this point, the next thing that I wanted to tell you also, this mistake that many YouTubers make, including myself, is, so the mistake is that we tend to, guys, don't worry, that's my brother. He's filming me as I film this. So when using the front camera, most of the time we tend to look at ourselves, which I'm even doing right now. But if you look at me, it looks like I'm looking like the other direction. I'm looking sideways. So you're like, why isn't this person looking at me? So what you need to do is look at here, the lens. If you see that is where the back camera is, you look at the lens. So you just check to see that everything is okay, and then you talk while looking at the lens, so someone can see that you're looking direct at them. I'm going to also talk about the lighting. For the back camera, whenever I'm using the back camera, because this camera has a pretty decent front camera, and it's an Android, so yeah, you don't need to have an iPhone. So when I'm using the back camera, there's a trick I got from a certain Nigerian YouTuber. She's called Kelechi. So she said that if you're using a back camera, then use as mirror. If you have like, I use this simple mirror. I just put the mirror behind so that it reflects, so you're able to see. Because sometimes when you're using the back camera, you film, and when you're done, you realize that the video had cut off part of your head, or maybe it was not clear and you're done. So reshooting is a problem. So I'm going to show you all that. The next thing I want to tell you is how I do my lighting. So guys, if you've seen this background in my videos, which most of my recent videos have this background, when this happens, I'm standing like just here in front of this window. I'm just putting the phone here, and it works pretty well for me. Guys, you see the lighting? It's even too harsh. This is now when the window, like the light is hitting my face. Okay, the light is hitting my face. I'm standing directly in front of the window. But if I turn and the window is behind me, can you see, guys? Can you see the difference? It is not so clear. So always when you're shooting, if you're shooting with a phone, don't have the window or the source of light behind you. And there's also in front of you, there's something that is lighting you up. See when you turn around, then you see the huge difference. You can even shoot it sideways. You see when I'm standing like this and the window is here. Let me show you. This is the window, so I'm still standing sideways. You see, it's still pretty decent. Even if I turn this other side, and here is the window still, you see, it's pretty decent. It's only that the light is too harsh, a little bit too harsh, but you can see, guys, it is better compared to when the window is behind me. Okay, yeah. So I always like to face this side. As you can see, as what I was telling you, it is just on this level, and if you see the video is amazing. So as you can see guys, you see, it is just amazing. It captures like from here to here. I can adjust from, yeah. Guys, if I'm recording with the back camera, this is what I do. I just like set up a small mirror where I can see myself. You see, I can see myself, so I know that I'm in focus, you know. So I just go and hit record, and then if I also want to press the lock, as I told you, I just long press. I can see that it has written here lock. If I want to increase the brightness, I can also increase the brightness from here. But you see what I'm talking about, like I'm able to see myself. I know that I'm in focus instead of just assuming. It's a little bit hectic for me. I normally don't do back camera these days unless maybe there's no light at all, because the back camera is superior to front. But this front camera is pretty decent. So yeah, this is it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linda Mary. I come from Nairobi, Kenya. Very nice to meet you. Introductions. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, so I'm taking photos for my thumbnail. I'm just going to take a couple and then I choose from them when I'm editing. I wanted to show you one more thing before I go. The sun is setting, so I want to finish this vlog. I realized that I didn't show you this. This is a lavalier microphone. This is what I use now to filter out the noise so that it only captures majorly captures my voice. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. I think this is the standard size, although there are some with the longer cords. So you see it has this, and you just insert it. I normally just insert it here. In most of the phones it's the same place as your earphone, so you just plug it in. And then this one I can just put anywhere. Sometimes I hide it inside my clothes so that it appears here. Other times I just like clip it somewhere. But the trick is that it needs to be somewhere near your mouth, so it can be here. Some people even put it in their hair. I don't know, you can even hide it inside, but it is close to your mouth so that it filters the outside noise. If you've watched the entire vlog, you'll notice that in areas where I'm using the microphone, my sound is much better. So when you're using your phone, when you're filming, your phone should be in like this. You should position it horizontally. Don't film like this. Okay, for YouTube, for Instagram, for other apps, I think it works. But for YouTube, in the sides of the video will have some blank unattractive things. So guys, I want to end this vlog here. I've been loving these vlogs. I hope you've been loving them too. I hope to create more of them. So if you're just curious about what happens behind the scenes, or if you want to start a YouTube channel and you have your phone but you don't know how to go about it, I hope this video has been very helpful. It will mean a lot to me if you liked, you commented, you shared it with your friends, and subscribed. I'm going to release this vlog before I release my video on how to be confident, so that at least when you're watching that, you can connect, because you feel like you are part of the process. So watch out for my video on how to be confident. And in order for you not to miss it, can you please just subscribe and hit the notification bell? Okay, it's just a bell down there. Just click on it so that when I post, you'll just get a notification right away. Until next time, beautiful people, be good to yourself.